In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the reading list in Google Chrome so you can save articles, blog posts, and websites for later without losing track of them. This is a super helpful feature if you like collecting pages to read when you have more time. And the best part is it only takes a few clicks to use. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to any article, blog post, or website that you want to save to your reading list. This can be any page you want to come back to later. Now, look at the top of the tab bar and find the tab for the page you want to save. Right-click on that tab to open the menu. From the options that appear, click Add Tab to Reading List. As soon as you do that, Chrome will save that page into your reading list for later access. This is a great way to organize content without having to keep dozens of tabs open. Now, if you want to access your saved reading list items, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. Hover over Bookmarks and Lists, and then from the menu that appears, click Reading List. After that, click Show Reading List and Chrome will open your saved pages so you can see everything you added. From there, you can click any article to open it whenever you're ready to read it. This feature is especially useful for research, saving news articles, and keeping track of helpful guides you find online. It helps keep your browser clean while still making sure your important pages are easy to find. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple Chrome tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.